Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is a place where we can enter all of those codes, and tap on this keypad. Let's begin with the shortest code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And let me show you another code, which is *###, *225####. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. However, be aware, because all you can do is to check the number of events and the categories, because we cannot really enter a specific category to check some further details, which is lame. Alright, another code is *###, 426 ####. And here we are in the Diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected, ASIN and signal level should also appear right here. Here we've got the status. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, and the last code, which is *###, 4636 ####. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let's tap, for example, on this one. We can check the status. We should be able to refresh the stats, however, for some reason we cannot. But you can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can also run ping test here. So here, of course, you've got also the configuration and the API, so you can, for example, enable network. Usage statistics, so we've got the list of all apps which are currently on this device, and with the last time used or usage time, you can change the sorting time if you wish by usage time, last time used, or app name. So everything will be listed alphabetically, and I don't know what happened, so let me quickly enter this code again, because I wanted to show you the phone information, where you can check the IMEI number, for example, car network, data service, voice service. Of course, you will be able to see all of that information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why everything is blank. What I wanted to show you, here you can run ping test also, and after tapping on the 3 dots icon, you can, for example, enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.